Harley! Buddy! I just wanted to let you know that you can talk to me anytime that you feel you need to. You know? Man to man.
Okay, bud. What do you want to talk about?
Okay, well, I understand that your father passed away when you were...
Ken, have you seen my homework? I left it right there. I left it right there, man.
No. I want to ask you a question. Has anybody ever talked to you about something called the birds and the bees?
What exactly do you want to know?
That's...
Ken, do you ever get hungry working in here?
You becoming a man. Okay. What do you know about relationships? Dating. You know?
Dude, no one told you about that yet? Did you know that the men's bathroom is bigger than your office?
Actually, here's what I want to say to you.
Ken, listen to me. Here's a word of advice. Ignorance is bliss. Trust me.